What's the meaning of artsy? Artsy. Artsy.
Artsy. Artsy. The term artsy refers to a person or thing that is aesthetically inclined, often with an emphasis on the fine arts. It typically connotes a certain level of sophistication or appreciation for creative pursuits, whether in visual art, music, literature, or other forms of expression. An artsy individual may be someone who creates art, collects it, or has an interest in attending cultural events and exhibitions. The term is somewhat subjective and can be used positively or negatively depending on the context and speaker's tone.